Okay, so we want a sound effect. In this video, I've got one where I'm standing there and I disappear. And I want like a pop sound or something else to go with it, just to make it feel more like I'm disappearing. There's lots of ways of doing it. First of all, you can go to your audio up here on iMovie, and there's loads and loads of sound effects at the top. You can just listen to a few. Alarm, don't know what that is. Basketball bounce. Anyway, there's literally like 100 of these. Anything you can think of, but it's not everything. There's still quite a few gaps. So if you need something else, there's a few different ways you can do it. First way would be to have a look on YouTube, and you can download the audio. Just use the other video on YouTube downloads or rips for that. But another way is to go through something like Sound Bible, or I'm going to use Mingo Sounds. There's loads of these sorts of websites out there. Some of them have logins, which you might need to do, but I think Mingo Sounds and Sound Bible, you don't need to sign in. So I'm just going to go look for sound effects. Let's see, I don't know. Let's go to the search, and I'll just do like a pop sound, pop hippopotamus. No. If you keep scrolling down, there we go. There's like a pop. This is the one, pop sound like this. Okay, that sounds fine. So then all I need to do is download it, clicking on this dot here, and straight away popping sound goes to my download folder. So all I'll need to do is go back to iMovie and again import. I'll go to my downloads. There we are, popping sound effect. I can import that and it will appear at the bottom of my screen. There we go. So all I need to do now is just drag that down to here. Now all the sound effects need to go beneath the video. So the sound effects here will just go, I guess I'll just do it here. So if I play it, just to make sure it's the right place. Yeah, not quite. So I'll just drag that across to here. There we are. That works better. But similarly, as I said before, a lot of the things you might want are here under audio already, and it's probably much easier to use that. So duck, for example, and all you need to do is just drag it down to wherever you want it. So put that at the beginning. Hello everyone. You might be wondering why I'm wearing a